How to check and replace the high limit thermostat in a Whirlpool 29-inch electric dryer. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the terminal block cover and the back panel. You will need to have a multimeter and know how to use it. Set the multimeter on the lower scale to read ohms. The high limit thermostat is located on the heater housing. Make sure the dryer is disconnected from the wall outlet before disconnecting any wires. You will need to disconnect these 3 wires. Take a reading between these 2 terminals on the high limit thermostat. If the reading is close to 0 ohms, the high limit thermostat is okay. If the reading is infinity, the high limit thermostat is bad and you will need to replace it. Remove the bad high limit thermostat and install the new high limit thermostat. Install the wires to the high limit thermostat and the red wire to the heating element. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. Set the timer on a drying cycle and push the start button. Let the dryer run for a few minutes. Open the dryer door to stop it from running and check inside to see if the dryer is getting hot. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet again and install the back panel and the terminal block cover. Now you could connect the dryer back to the wall outlet and start using it.